No one deserves a flooded basement, whether it's sewage backing up, a burst pipe, or a catastrophic appliance failure. Cleaning up the damage can take months, even years. You can protect your home from the risk of flooding and safeguard your belongings, your family, and your health by following strategies recommended by National Flood Prevention, a Canadian company working to reduce the risk of home flooding and property loss. Sensors installed on appliances and water lines will detect leaks and shut off the water supply while notifying you and the alarm company immediately. A service technician will be dispatched within minutes to fix the problem. If sewers are overwhelmed by heavy rainfall and begin backing up into your home, a backwater check valve will stop the flow of sewage before it enters your home. Get total peace of mind and free information by calling National Flood Prevention now, 1-877-662-5181 or info@nationalfloodprevention.com.